Hey guys, today I am reviewing or unboxing the new Cretaceous Extreme Damage T.rex. Look, you can see all these campers and T.rex. On the back shows about the T.rex. Oh well, we'll cut these open. Okay, gotta do the back. Yeah, it's anchored down the feet. Tail. Got the, oh gosh, tail's stuck. Stuck there because of stuff. Oh yes, we got this here. Ah! Okay, we got that out. Ugh. Oh no, it's stuck. Stuck it. Oh, tape. Got it out, and there are some peg drawings. Okay, this dinosaur is huge, so it goes from like the tail and the head. Get this off. And see, let's check the tail. There's notches. Okay, there's a T-rex. Looks cool. Nicely shaped. For articulation, these arms, legs, tail, no ball joint, neck always moves, and look at my favorite part, the jaw openings. And the battle damage, press the button, and cool scan code is right there. That one was pretty cool. And like and subscribe for the T-rex. Wait you.